तो स्पीकिंग इंप्रूवमेंट में कितना टाइम लगता है, तो आज की वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि 7 डेज में हम स्पीकिंग कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या टेक्निक्स होती हैं उसके लिए, एंड कैसे कैसे मिस्टेक्स पे वर्क करते हैं ताकि एक मंथ की जगह पे हम 7 डेज पे अपनी मिस्टेक्स कवर कर सकें एंड अपना डिजायर्ड स्कोर लेके आ सकें। आज तो जस्ट फर्स्ट एपिसोड है एंड यस, आज स्टार्ट हो रहा है अपना 7 डे स्पीकिंग चैलेंज एंड बाकी के एपिसोड मिस मत करना क्योंकि अभी जो क्लाइमैक्स है वो तो आने वाला है। आज तो बिल्कुल एक स्टार्टिंग, एक फ्रेश स्टार्ट है, तो उसके लिए सब्सक्राइब जरूर करके रखना ताकि कोई भी एपिसोड मिस ना हो। एक और चीज, सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स ही नहीं बल्कि आप भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो 7 डे चैलेंज में। बट हाँ, आपको खुद को रिकॉर्ड करके अपनी वॉइस रेगुलर क्यू कार्ड रिकॉर्ड करने हैं एंड देखना कि हाँ 7 डेज में कैसे फर्क पड़ता है। अगर आपको लगा कि फर्क पड़ा तो आप इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे सेंड कर सकते हो अपने रिकॉर्डिंग्स एंड आप भी किसी के लिए इंस्पिरेशन बन सकते हो। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द पार्ट 1 टुडे। So this is your speaking test day 1. Please introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Karan. You may initiate me by my first name. It is a Firozpur city from where I hail. Recently, I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Commerce stream in RSD College. Now I am pursuing language classes because I want to go abroad for my higher education.
Okay, so first of all, I will ask you some introduction questions, and the first one is, do you often use a dictionary?
Well, yes, I mostly use dictionary on as I used it on daily basis because with the help of dictionary I can know about a lot of meanings which I face difficulty, and dictionary is very helpful in every person's life as it increase the vocabulary section, and we can know the meanings of different words.
Okay, nice. So, do you prefer to use an electronic dictionary or paper dictionary?
Now it is a technical era, and I mostly prefer electronic dictionary because I use it in my phone, as I most of the time I carry my mobile phone with me, and I use electronic dictionary because I do not have to carry paper dictionary with me. And when I face any word which is difficult, so I can easily know the meaning through the electronic dictionary.
If someone gives you dictionary as a gift, how would you feel?
It will be very good for me if someone gave me a gift as a dictionary because dictionary is a very good companion of a human being because because with the help of dictionary a person can increase the horizon of their knowledge, as they can grab the learning skill, and they can easily know the difficult meanings. So I think it is very good gift for me if someone send me a gift as a dictionary.
Do you think it would be interesting to write a dictionary?
Yes, it is very interesting to write a dictionary. But if I talk about myself, then I think I do not have much skills to write a dictionary. But dictionary is very good if someone want to write it because it can help the other people in their life to know the difficult meanings.
Do you think handwriting is still important?
Definitely, yes, because handwriting is very important in every human being. Because with the help of handwriting, we can easily communicate to others. Like if I talk about this technical era, handwriting is important because there are a lot of exams which is only done with the help of handwriting.
Okay, this is the end of your part 1. And now let's begin with our cue card. Describe an occasion when you ate a kind of food for the first time. And cues are when you had it, where you ate it, what it was, and how you felt about it.
Well, food is very important in everyone's life because with the help of food we take a lot of ingredients, which is very helpful to live the life. Here, I love this opportunity to talk about food which I tried the first time, as it is none other than white pasta. I vividly remember that during my college days, one of my friends was a birthday, and at that time we all friends went to the renowned restaurant at the vicinity of my college, and we it was very amazing experience for us. And when I went there, firstly the restaurant is very renowned, and we enjoyed a lot there, and we ordered the white pasta with soft drink. And at that time I tried it at first time, and it was very delicious, as it is finger licking, and we all friends enjoyed that moment a lot. We cut the cake there, and we also enjoyed that moment a lot. And uh, uh, as I didn't eat it till that time, so that was the first experience for me.
So let's move to the follow up part. The first question is, do you like to try new food?
Yes, as I call myself as a foodie person, so I always try to different cuisines in my daily life, because I mostly get bored from the homemade food. So once or twice in a week, I like to try new food, and I go to the fast food restaurant to try the food. As I vividly remember that a couple of weeks ago, I tried the pizza at the first time, and it was very good experience for me.
What kinds of foreign foods are popular in your country?
There are multifarious kinds of food which are popular in my country. Most of the food are Chinese and Italian, which are popular, as Chinese noodles and Italian pizza are most popular, and people enjoyed that food a lot. And most of the young people like this food in their daily life. And apart from it, there are also different food like burger, noodles, Maggi, which are also popular in my country.
Do you like to cook food at home?
Yes, cooking is my hobby, and I like to uh, cook at my home. As YouTube is a good application. With the help of this application, I tried new food at my home. In the pandemic, I mostly try new cuisines in my daily life. It's very helpful for me.
Is it expensive to eat outside in your country? That means eating at the restaurants or food corners.
I think yes, because because most of the restaurants are foreign branches, and in people mostly get uh, um, face hardships when they have to go outside to eat. But rich people also afford it, because they think it is a status symbol for them. And mostly people like to homemade food because it is very healthy for them. And people of my country are very health conscious, and they also like to homemade food. But uh, I think it's expensive for them to eat outside on daily basis.
Okay, so that is the end of your speaking test, and your result will be shared soon.